Hey there. Today we are going to look at how to use Higgsfield Speak AI. So let's get started. First, open the official Higgsfield AI website and sign up using your email address. Over here, you'll see your dashboard. After that, click on the Create option, then select Speak. Over here, you'll enter the main editor section. You can either upload an image or click on Select Avatar and choose any avatar you like. After that, click on the audio option. Over here, you can type your script or upload your audio file using the upload button. Then, in the prompt section, type the prompt of your choice and click on generate. After that, scroll down a bit and select the model. Keep the default Higgs peak model. Then choose the quality, either basic or high quality. Once done, click on generate. After providing the audio, it will create your video where the avatar speaks your script. You can download the video or share it on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.